If you want to detangle your hair this easily, watch this video. This is not how you detangle your hair. A lot of you guys are experiencing breakage because you're not detangling your hair properly. You guys are doing this and you guys are thinking that that is the proper way to detangle, but it's not. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to detangle your hair the right way. Alright, so for the first step, what you want to do is just you want to hop in the shower and just wet your hair and make sure all of your head is getting wet. I recently did coils. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure to go check it out. But when I was doing the coils, I did add a little bit of gel, so I was just washing that out. Here's everything I'm going to be using in this video. Aussie conditioner, the unbrush to detangle, and elastics to section my hair. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Aussie conditioner, and I just added about like 2 pumps. I rubbed the conditioner onto both of my hands and then I just applied it to my hair. And make sure to use a good amount of conditioner for the amount of hair you have. I honestly could have used another pump of the conditioner. Alright, so now we're done applying the conditioner to my hair. Now you want to section your hair into 4 equal quadrants. Alright, so now what you guys want to do is you guys want to split your hair in half, starting from the middle of your hair. You guys should have 2 equal quadrants. And then I section 1 half away. And then on the other side, I split it in half and then section it away. And y'all keep this in mind. Whenever you do like a style, like especially like coils, and when you're washing your hair, make sure not to use shampoo first, guys. I'm telling you, make sure to use the conditioner first. Alright, so now I just split the other side in half. Okay, now we got our 4 equal quadrants. Alright, so starting off with the first section, you want to take out your elastic and then split your section in half. Alright, so now with the section you got, you want to split it in half. And yes, I know I've done a lot of split in half, but guys, I'm telling you, this is what makes detangling a whole lot easier. Now here's how you detangle your hair. Alright, so now what you guys want to do, you want to take your section and run it through some water, guys. Never move your head. Make sure your section always has water, guys. I'm telling you. And then I take my unbrush and just brush my hair while it's getting nicely saturated with the water. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. Before I used to use this technique, I used to detangle my hair and it used to take me about an hour or maybe 2 hours because I'm just so annoyed at my hair. And this section is done. Y'all, like that little section probably took me like 40 seconds. Like bro, like no joke, like that literally took me like 40 seconds. If y'all hear stuff in the background, I'm sorry, I'm just at camping right now and there's just a lot of noise. Alright, so I take my next section and just run it through some water and then I just take my brush and just brush my hair. And that's really all it is for detangling. It's super easy, super simple. I highly recommend this technique. Alright y'all, please enjoy the rest of the video and I'll catch you guys later. If you guys want to, you guys can just skip to the end to see what my hair looks like fully detangled. this is what my hair looks like fully detangled. Y'all, my hair felt so soft. Alright y'all, this is the end of my video. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will surely answer you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.